Many people don't know that there was a 6-tier system in the First Republic, in the 1963 Constitution. There was the federal, there was the region, there was the province, there was the division, there was the county council, and there was the local area government. So that's not the problem. The problem is the federating units at the federal level that needed to be balanced. And what the British colonial office had done to the a willing commission was to send a secret memo and told them that Britain will not grant Nigeria independence if the Middle Belt region was created. They used the word fragmented. So they forbade it and made the creation of the Middle Belt a sine qua non. That's the time in this book for the granting of Nigeria what turned out to be fake independence of unstable federal system.